I actually don't know what got into Chuma. You cannot forgive a hell lot like Nolita. Giants, we are losing. Chuma just scored an own goal, and I want to talk about that more here on this video. But before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Imagine a girl going out and sleeps with your brother only because she suspects that you are cheating on. In fact, the reason doesn't matter at this point. Even if you as a guy slept with her mom, that doesn't give her a right to cheat back on you. And if she went out there and decided that she's going to cheat, then that is fine. Let her go, my guy. Get rid of that evil spirit. You know, at this point, I really believe that him being the one apologizing to Nolita was wild. I actually thought that he was going to start with Solomzi. Abesabuyele back at Nolita with a very beautiful girl. Chow that girl in front of Nolita and kick Nolita out of the house. Chuma being that weak is so unlike him, and I don't like what the writers did to him on this character and on this plot. So, for those who don't know what I'm talking about here, well, ladies and gentlemen, let me brief you. So, Nolita just decided that she was going to cheat on Chuma, and I really feel like cheating is an understatement. I think what Nolita did was way too much because she slept with Chuma's brother, and that is Solomzi. If you've watched the show from the early episodes, you'll know that Nolita also slept with Chuma's other brother, Kai. So after Nolita gave it to Solomzi, I thought that Chuma was finally going to learn his lessons, but then we're still here even now. Stupid, right? Now guys, comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions about this topic, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.